Good morning. My name is Rafael Ricardo Rojas Alarcón. I am from Uate, Cundinamarca. I am a student. I am married. No, I don't know have children. I am 39 years old. I am a student the food quality technology and UNAC. I am going to talk about my activities during the day. For example, yesterday I went for a walk with my dog. It's a little dog of black color. And then I exercise in the park while my dog plays with other dogs. In my free time, I see to music or read a book, but most of the time I am working and studying. In my last vacation, I visited the Eje Cafetero, while my wife, the place is beautiful and the coffee is delicious. I visited the typical coffee fair and learned the coffee process. I went to other place like Salento. In the place, we went to tour the town and Willis, and we were able to see the Wex Palm, the national tree. Thank you very